Definitely.
Hey guys, give me
Robo?
3, 12 o'clock there. There's one there. Watch yourself.
Yeah, going right. Give me 2 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Nothing out this way.
This way?
I'm gonna advance out there about 30 feet. I just want to see if I can get some eyes on. Just kind of cover me from the door. Brock on my right flank. Still in your right flank, Block.
Hi, friend.
How's it going, bud? Intel search? Got anything?
No.
Good man. Good try on that one, boys. Intel search only?
Shot, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah. You got intel?
Do I?
Yeah. Do you have any intel on you?
No, I got comms, but no.
Perfect, man. Good job, though, guys.
Thank you.
Honorable try, man. You totally had us looking that way completely. We had to spin around. No, you guys did a good job, man. Good job.
Keep rocking.
I can't tell yet. There's definitely a contingent to the right. All right, guys, start pushing up under that smoke.
Move it up.
Roger. Yo! One enemy on the right-hand side of the building, right-hand upper window. Roger. Tyler, right through this break in the trees and the trash can there, there's a window on the right-hand side. You need to fucking put that guy down. You good?
Yep.
Roger. I'm coming to you, bud. Oh shit, dude, sorry.
Not yet, Derek. Give me a second.
Come on.
Okay.
Shit here, bud. Where do we? Yep. Where's your medic? Do you know?
I got Derek coming. Derek's coming for him.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I got contact on the left. Is that our guys? Way out there. See him 200 feet out?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, right here, man.
Right.
All
right, thanks, guys.
No worries, homie.
A medic. You guys have a medic that's down?
I'm down.
Yeah. You okay? Derek, this is your next guy behind the Jeep.
Oh yeah? You sure about that?
You're out? Shit.
Hey, Brock. Take a fucking quick look at who we're talking to. Mike, do not do that.
Come on, that would have been cool. Backside that building, guys.
What do you got up here?
One guy over there. I don't know what's around the corner.
Okay, cool. Roger. It's kind of behind that dead guy down there, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Brock, I'm on the inside. Come behind here, Mikey. I'm going in, all right?
Yeah, Tyler's in there already.
Yeah.
Everyone needs one.
What's up?
One guy shot me in the back.
Oh, it happens sometimes, man.
I'll get on the other side of the cover from you.
Hey, Derek, medic! Derek! Shit.
Oh,
sorry, boss.
Go! Golf, how many we got up? Golf squad, how many do we have up? Here. Golf squad!
Where are they at?
Too far ahead, probably about 150 feet in front of this building.
Okay, that's
So Tan just cleared this building, but I think they got contact line up there.
They got contact on there. I'm grouping everyone up behind them.
How'd you pull that one almost off?
We got some intel.
Good boy. Yeah, you almost pulled the bonehead too.
What's going on here?
Contact line is kind of moved up in front of that base there. Yeah.
John, you got bandages still?
hey.
How many?
Brock. Now
Yeah.
would be a good time to regroup the team,
I know.
get
That's
ammo,
why-
and get
John,
medic stuff.
Get someone up right now so we can go. Stay here. I'm going to send everyone back to you.
I got your ass. Ty! Hold up.
Tyler, back to... Hey, Tyler.
Back there.
We're going to go back.
Good job, bud.
Michael, Yeah, operators, let's go.
Yeah, I'm Conrad too.
Operators on me now.
Let's